Urgently, guys, Bitcoin swept the lowest price of 2026 again. What does it all mean for us? Let me explain, guys. Bitcoin made a false breakout of the support level at 58K by this movement, and at the same time again updated the lowest price of 2026. And now the lowest price has fallen to the support level at 57,800. By these false breakout, Bitcoin caused stop runs because below the support level, especially below the lowest price, especially below the lowest price of 2026, there is always going to be a lot of liquidity. And by this movement, Bitcoin caused stop runs. While these stops were being swept, smart money were accumulating their own position right here because the crowd was panicking, yelling, and collapsing at that moment. But what does this upward movement mean for us? Because it seems like it might be something like a reversal. Basically, this movement is false, of course, in my opinion. And it's still just a matter of time when Bitcoin will update the lowest price of 2026 again, and I'm gonna prove why, guys. First of all, if we scale out and switch to the daily time frame and turn on the EMA, let me do this. We can see that Bitcoin broke below the 200 EMA on the daily time frame in November 2025, and since that moment Bitcoin has not been above the resistance, the 200 EMA, and it has been trading below the level for a long period of time, guys, which means that Bitcoin is now trading in a downward trend if we talk about the long term. And if we talk about swing, Bitcoin is also trading in a swing downward trend because it's decreasing its maximums right here, and here, and minimums right here, and right here. On top of that, I want to emphasize that the fact that after the false breakout of the lowest price, Bitcoin gave these upward move, and right now it's trying to rake short trades too. Because below the lowest price, long stops were built up, but above the recent high there is a bunch of stop liquidity, which means that right now Bitcoin made another trap, but for short trades now. Due to the fact that Bitcoin grabbed the liquidity above the levels, I'm expecting a continuation of the current movement over the support level at 59K. After that might be 57, and after that might be, I think, 55K, guys. Why I choose this zone, this 55K support zone, why I choose this zone as a support, I will say later, guys. Or of course I allow little possibility of something little upward moved over the resistance level at 62.5K, this resistance level, and price might do something like a retest of the resistance level, because previously price were trading above the support level, broke it below, but hasn't touched the levels resistance 1, which of course increases the probability of a bounce back if price hits this resistance level. So now I see two entry points. The first one is at the current price due to these liquidity grab by this week. I see entry point from the current price, or a little movement over the resistance level at 62,500, as I said previously, and after that a bounce back over the support level at 60, 57, and after that 55,000 for one Bitcoin, guys. And so now I want to return to the point where I said about 55K. Why did I choose this area as a support? So I choose it because if we see at the daily time frame, we realize that Bitcoin literally reversed from the support zone previously by this moment. I said about it in my previous video, but anyway. So we realized that Bitcoin literally reversed from the support zone, and this bound was about approximately 120%. On top of that, the fact that it is round support level, and it is increases the probability of a pullback if price hits this support level. For example, if price hits 52,500, it might be something like a pullback over the resistance level at 62,000 for one Bitcoin. And when Bitcoin hits, and if Bitcoin hits this support zone at 50-55k, I will be firing some long trades and of course scaling of my short position if I will have it for that moment. So basically, my view is a continuation of current downward move from the current price, or little upward move toward the resistance level at 62,500, and after that a continuation of a downward trend in a swing and long term, if we talk about swing and long term, and after that falling over the support, a fall over the support zone at 50-55k. After that we will see. So guys, basically this was just my take, my view, of course, not financial advice. See you later, just my thoughts, no financial advice, just my opinion, my view, my take, and so on. Thank you, see you later guys, bye bye, you're welcome.